Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'll be making moi moi. I'll make it my mom. You need beans, red bell pepper, your scotch bonnet pepper, then crayfish oil, your season cube, the biscuit bone, then your a million plates. In a bowl, you'll be adding in water to soften the back of the beans. Just like to soak for like 15 to 20 minutes, depend on how you want it. After some time, check back. Then I'll be using my blender to just rough. I'll blend it in order to remove the bark, just to smash it on a very low speed. After doing that, you can also use your mortar, depending on what you have, to just mash it out to remove the bark. And it's more easier when you are using the blender or the mortar, depends on what you have. After some blending it, you just use your sieve, add a lot of water, then sieve out the back of the beans. After doing that, you bring it to where you grind it. You can use commercial blender, but I use my own Hampton big blender to blend mine, adding my onions, adding my red pepper, adding my crayfish, add the season cube. I like blending this together because this is very hard. I want it to soften all together, depending on how you want it. After blending it, you just add it to a bowl that will contain it, that will give you space to be able to stir it and mix it well. After blending it, then I went straight to adding my salt, my season cube, spice. The spice I use to elevate the taste of this is nutmeg. Have you tried nutmeg on your moi moi? Please try it. I add in my meat stock and also adding oil, which is very necessary for moi moi. Adding your oil, then you stir very well, mix it very well. Let every ingredient let all the ingredients mix very well. Then after doing that, you'll be scooping your batter into your aluminum plate. You can use aluminum foil, you can use nylon, depending on what you have. And adding my brisket bone, want to take it to the next level. In a pot, adding water, then transfer the moi moi to the pot and cook for like 30 to 40 minutes, depending on how you feel like it should be okay. You cover it up, then check back after like 40 minutes. After 40 minutes, what we have, our moi moi. The delicious moi moi. I serve my with rice. I'll also use it for breakfast for my family. I took it with pap or custard, depending on what you have. Thanks for watching. Bye.